Do you know that you can edit your videos in TikTok? Yes, you can use TikTok app to record your videos and edit your videos in same TikTok app. So in this video, that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos on TikTok and upload it direct from there, or you can download them and upload on any other social media platform that you want to upload, or you can share with anywhere you want to share with your videos that you've edited on TikTok without even using any other editing tool or platform. So if you find this video useful, consider to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and let's get into it. So for us to edit our video, we are going to click on the plus button. So for example, if I want to just start all over, I can start all over and make a video again, or I can even import. I can choose from my gallery to import and edit the video that I want to do. But since we already had a video that we made, so I'll get it from the draft. The video is here. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to, on this line here, I'm going to get to this button here. This is some of it will show like a scissors, some of it will show like the way it is showing. This is where now you are going to edit your video. So this is your timeline. If you can see this line is a pointer. That is where you you take the pointer to where you want to do something to your video, okay? And there is also down here, when you look down, there is a scissors here. So this scissors shows if you want to cut your video, if you want to do anything to your video, this is how you're going to do it. For example, if you go here, there is split. If you want to split your video, if you want to replace here, maybe you want to put an overlay, or you want to put another thing. If you want to delete, you can delete. You want to put speed, you want to crop, animation, all these things are here. Yeah, that's where you can do it. So if you want to, for example, the first thing I want to show you from here is, maybe if you want to trim our video, for example, want to remove the end, or want to reduce on the beginning. So want to reduce on the beginning, you can just quickly do this. You click on it and then you drag it. You drag it like this, okay? Then I've put it back because I don't want to trim it. Or you go at the end of the video and then you can just drag it if you want to reduce the timeline or something, yeah? Then if you want just to split the video, for example, I want to split the video, you can just click on the split and then you do that, and the video is splitted into two. Okay, that's how you do it. Then we can go, what else can I show you here? Yeah, then we can go on sounds if you want to add sound to the video. So there's sounds here, you can add sounds. You can choose from the inbuilt from TikTok, or you can get from your gallery, or you can do anything that you want to do. And then there's also sound effects, there's also voiceover. So if you want to put voiceover to your videos, you can click here and then you can record whatever you want to record to add to your video, okay? Then from there you can also add effects if you want to add effects. If you want to put a text, for example, you want to write something, Mimi blah blah blah, you can just type and then save it, and it will be showing on your screen like that. Yeah, so the other thing I want to show here is I want to show you how you can put your overlay. So for example, if you want to add some b-rolls to your video, you can just click on overlay and then you can add anything that you want to add from the gallery. And then the very important thing I want to show you, very easy important thing I want to show you in this video, if you don't get anything, please get this one, is how you are going to add your captions to your videos. It improves your videos when you put your captions. So you just click on captions and automatically it's going to produce your captions automatically. You don't need to do anything. Your captions are there, and then when it finishes, you just click on save and then your video is saved. So let's just wait for it to finish. So it's processing. It's putting caption to the video. Let's just wait for it to finish. on, and then you can just so here are the captions. The captions are here. It has finished. The captions are there. So if I can play it, you can see the captions are there. And I'm showing you how to create a, you see. And then if we want to change the style, we can even change the style here. We can get any style that we want to put. There are a lot of inbuilt styles that are there. You can put, and that's it. That's how you can edit your video. Another thing I can show you from here, let's go back. So this, your video is now ready to post. Let me go back and then see. Hey guys, I'm Amy, and if I don't like the way I'm saying the captions, I don't like them, I can go back and say edit caption. So when you go to edit caption, I'll go back to the style. I want to change the style because I didn't like that one, the way the words were coming up. So I can change, maybe I can put this one. Start recording. Hey guys. Yeah, so it's there. I'm Amy, and I'm showing. Let's go back. So start recording. Hey guys, I'm Amy, and I'm showing you how to create a video in TikTok, and then you post your video on TikTok. Very, very easy. So in this video, this is what I'm doing. If you interested in this video, please click on the plus button, like this video, leave a okay. So that is how you can do it. So now if you want to post it now, it's very simple. Maybe let's try to put a text. Let's try to put a text so that it can just look more professional. Let's say TikTok tutorial. Okay, so we can just put it maybe up there, and then so it's there and it's okay. And then for now we can just go on next now, like the way we wanted to do at first. We can put something here like maybe a caption. You explain like the description, what is in the video, what is there in the video. You put some other things that you want to add, and then you click on post, and boom, the video is posted. Or again, we can go back if you want to record it, to post it later. You can also just do this and go to draft, and it is saved. So this is how